How are you? Hope you all are safe at home. Children, did you remember our previous class? What is our previous class? That is gender. What is our previous class? Gender. What is gender? Gender means nothing but the word which denotes the group, either that is male or female. The word which denotes the male or female, either male or female, neither male nor female. That is called gender. Okay, children, how many types of genders are there? 4 types. How many? 4 types. First one, masculine. Second, feminine. Common. Neuter. It means masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, neuter gender. Okay, children, did you remember the definitions for these genders? What is that? The masculine gender, the word, the gender which denotes the male or he group is called masculine gender. Feminine, the word which denotes the female or she group is called feminine gender. Common gender, the word which denotes either male or female is common gender. Neuter gender, the word which denotes neither male nor female. That means the word which denotes the non-living things is called neuter gender. Once again I am repeating, listen carefully. The word which denotes male or he group is called masculine gender. The word which denotes female or she group is called feminine gender. Common gender, that means the words which denotes either male or female. Either male or female. Next, neuter gender, the word which denotes neither male nor female, neither male nor female. Nor, this is or, this is nor female. That means it's a non-living thing. Children, did you learn in science or not? Living things and non-living things. What are called non-living things? The things which do not have life, all are called non-living things. So, all non-living things comes under to the neuter gender, but plants are living things. Even though those also we have to consider as neuter gender. Plants are living things. Even though we have to consider the plants in neuter gender. For example, orange tree, mango tree, banana tree, rose plant. So all these are living things. We learned in science, no, plants comes under to the living things. Even though there is no specification for the plants, either those are belongs to male or female. That's what it comes under to the neuter gender. You may get a doubt, even common gender also, what is it, do not give the information, no, either male or female, but it won't separate the male or female, but it should be male or female. For example, doctor. Doctor should be male or female. It's a living thing. That is what that is called common gender. But coming to this orange tree, mango tree, banana tree, rose tree, we should not find out either it is male or female. That is what the things which we cannot say either male or female, those things are called neuter gender. The simple logic is all non-living things like bench, fan, light, glass, water, all those comes under to the neuter gender. Okay, did you clear? Okay. Now, in the previous class, we learned some of the examples for masculine and feminine gender. But all those are persons. Now, we should learn the animals which comes under to the masculine gender and feminine gender. Okay. Come on. Here I write some of the animal names. First one, cattle. Cattle means nothing but the cow family is called cattle. Horse. Sheep. Chicken. You all like to eat this, no? Chicken. Deer. Fox. Lion. These are some of the names of some animals. These are the names of some animals. Now we are going to see feminine and masculine gender for these animals. Okay. Feminine gender, masculine gender. See, first one is what? Cattle. Cattle. The female cattle is called cow. The male cattle is called bull. Bull. Do you know bull? What is bull? In Telugu we are calling eddu, no? Eddu. Bull, cow, bull. Cow is feminine gender. Bull is masculine gender. Next, horse. Female horse is called male. Male horse is called stallion. What is that? Stallion. Next one, sheep. Female sheep is called ewe. Male sheep is called ram. Next one, chicken. Female chicken is called hen. Male chicken is called rooster. Next one, deer. Female deer is called doe. Male deer is called buck. Buck. What is that? Buck. Next one, fox. Female fox is called vixen. Male fox is called fox. Fox group also called, fox family also called fox. Male fox also called fox. Female lion is called lioness. Male lion is called lion. Okay children, did you get the clear information? These are the animals. That means animal families. Cattle means feminine cattle is called cow. Masculine gender is called bull. What is the cattle feminine gender? Cow. Masculine gender bull. Horse. Horse feminine gender male. That means female horse is called male. Male horse is called stallion. What is that? Stallion. Next, sheep. Female sheep is called ewe. Male sheep is called ram. That means feminine gender is ewe. Masculine gender is ram. Next, chicken. Chicken. The female chicken is called hen. The male chicken is called rooster. Understand? Next, deer. Deer. The female deer is called doe. Male deer is called, male deer is called buck. That means feminine gender is doe. Masculine gender is buck. Next, fox. The feminine gender is called vixen. The masculine gender is called fox. That means the female is called vixen. The male fox is called fox. Lion. The female lion is called lioness. That means the feminine gender is lioness. The masculine gender is lion. Children, did you clear? Okay. Now, we are going to learn about another gender. The next gender. That is common gender. What is that? Common gender. What is common gender? Children, did you remember the definition? What is common gender? The word which denotes either male or female. I am repeating these many times. Why? Because either or is a comparing word which is used for two positive things. Either or. That means the word which denotes either male or female. That means the noun should be male or female. But either it is a male or female, there is no clarification. Those are called common genders. Example I am writing here. See. Doctor, lawyer, parent, children, cousin, teacher, nurse, musician. See children, here I wrote some naming words. We can clear one thing, what all these are living things, right? All these comes under to the living thing as well. It should be a male or female, right? It should be a male or female, but there is no clarification either it is a male or female. Doctor. Doctor means we can see lady doctors as well male doctor. The person who treats us when we are sick, who treats us, all those are called doctors. Okay, that means there is no clear specific information either that is male or female. Those type of nouns are called, what is that? Common gender. Like that lawyer, the people, the person who argues, all those are called lawyers. It may be either male or female. Okay, parent, both your mother and father together called the parent. If we conduct a parent meet in the school, your mother can come, even your father can come. Both are called parents. There is no specification either that is male or female, but it should be male or female. Understand? It should be male or female, but there is no specification, no clear cut. Either it is male or female. Those type of words are called common gender. Okay, children. If you are studying in the school, all you are called children. Either you are a boy or girl, you all consider as a children. Okay, cousin. That means the brothers, sisters who are our uncles, aunts, children. Those all are cousins to us. Either they are she or he. Understand? But there is no clarification whether it is he or she. That is what it is called common gender. Teacher. Generally we are calling lady teachers madam and gent teachers sir. Even though the profession, the persons who teaches you, all those comes under to the teachers. See, every year September 5th we celebrate Teachers Day. We are not celebrating Madam's Day, Sir's Day, no. Teacher. That means the person who teaches. All those comes under to the teacher group. Nurse. The person who serves to the patient. Either that is male or female. Okay. Next, musician. Understand children, musician, already in the previous class I explained you a person who plays musical instruments. All those are called musicians. It may be either male or female. That is only the common gender. That means common gender indicates the living things only. But there is no class specification either that is male or female. Those are called common gender. The final one is, what is that? Neuter gender. What is neuter gender? It's very easy. All the non-living things. That means pen, pencil, sharpener, bench, water bottle. So you have idea now what are called non-living things. The things which do not have life, all those are called non-living things. All these non-living things comes under to the neuter gender. Okay children, did you clear what are called genders? Once again I am repeating 4 genders. You have to see properly. First one, masculine gender. What is that? Masculine gender. That means the people who comes under to the male group, all those are called masculine gender. Next one, feminine gender. The people who comes under to the female group, all those are called feminine gender. Next, common gender. It should be either male or female. Either male or female. But there is no specification like doctor, nurse, musician. All these are called common genders. Next, finally, neuter gender. All the non-living things, the things which do not have life, all those are called neuter gender. But here one specification is there, that is plants are living thing even though plants comes under to the neuter gender. Children, did you get clear information about the gender? Okay, next topic I will teach you in the next class. Bye bye. Have a nice day.